Hey, welcome to Thursday. First off, your learning target. I can define Confucianism and analyze how it impacted Korean society. So you're going to do your warm up for attendance, obviously. Complete your Confucianism reading assignment. And if at any point you need any help, jump into your teacher's office hours and we will be more than happy to help. So first off, is that warm up? So describe your relationship with your parents. Is it similar to your relationship with your friends? And the meaning for that today is we're going to kind of describe how Korean society is set up and how they have relationships with their friends and their parents and society. And, it's always kind of helpful to start off with your own and see how it compares or contrasts to theirs. So if you go into the actual assignment, you do not have any directions on here, but you basically need to read. And then you have some questions down here. And then you have some questions here and here. So it's kind of like a read and answer as you go type of thing. If you need any help, we will point you to this resources here where I read the whole thing. As always, when we do the readers, I might explain a little bit of extra examples, like, for example, how these might play out or what's expected or how they relate to each other. So then before we go, I just want to point out one more time, you read this full page carefully. It's laid out in such a way where it makes it easy to come back to it for your questions. On page 2, you answer these 3. You put a number in one of each of these 3 boxes, and then you fill out these tables below.